Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can download your charts and Lucidchart into PDF. So this is like an easy and short tutorial. To export a document as a PDF, PNG, JPEG or SFG file, follow these steps. Open the document you would like to export, navigate to File and Export and select your desired file format. I'm gonna choose the PDF format. Click Maybe Later for this pop-up and choose which pages of your documents you would like to export by opening the drop-down menu under Documents Pages and then checking the boxes next to the pages you want to export. Select all if you would like to export all of them. Customize your download settings. You can crop your documents before downloading. You can select crop the contents to remove any white space around the contents of your document. This option will also include any contents that is off the page styles of your document. If you want to make an area selection of the content you would like to crop, select Custom Crop, then drag from the corners and sides of the selection frame to surround the contents you would like to download. Then click Crop, and then click Download, and your documents will download to your local device. So wait for it, guys. And as you can see, and at any time guys, you can watch my Lucidchart tutorial video to learn more about how you can use Lucidchart in under 12 minutes. Link in the description. So hopefully this video helped you out, and bye bye.